Hi. Now, why Chandra Namaskara is beneficial? Chandra Namaskara will always relate to the reproductive health of a woman. Okay, just like moon has phases, right? Moon has different phases. Reproductive health of a woman will also have the different phases, 28 to 30 days of her cycle. Okay, so thereby Chandra Namaskara is most beneficial for any kind of reproductive health issues, be it scanty periods, be it heavy flow periods, be it irregular periods, or during abdominal pain, or during inner thigh pain, lower back pain, all any issues related to menstrual cycles. You can practice Chandra Namaskara. By the way, if you're hearing Chandra Namaskara for the first time, don't be scared. There are multiple Namaskaras in yoga, which is, for example, Guru Namaskara, Surya Namaskara, Chandra Namaskara, Durga Namaskara, Shiva Namaskara, Hanuma Namaskara, Skanda Namaskara. There are multiple Namaskaras. Today in this video, so let's practice Chandra Namaskara. Okay?
क्षीरार्णजाय विद्महे लक्ष्मानुजाय धीमहि तन्नो चन्द्रः प्रचोदयात् क्षीरार्णजाय विद्महे लक्ष्मानुजाय धीमहि तन्नो चन्द्रः प्रचोदयात् क्षीरार्णजाय विद्महे लक्ष्मानुजाय धीमहि तन्नो चन्द्रः प्रचोदयात् क्षीरार्णजाय विद्महे लक्ष्मानुजाय धीमहि तन्नो चन्द्रः प्रचोदयात्